In this video, I'll teach you how to make donuts without a donut cutter. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to make donuts without a donut cutter. So I'll teach you how to use the available to make your donuts. First of all, I have my flour in here. Now I'm going to add salt to this. Next thing I'm going to add is milk. I'm using sachet milk here. And then I'm going to add sugar to this. I'm also going to add instant yeast to this. Also, I'll be adding baking powder to this. Next, I'll go ahead and add vegetable oil. And then I'm going to add in my eggs. At this point, I will mix properly. Right now, I'll be adding my water bit by bit. I'm going to knead this for some time to ensure that it is stretchy. Okay, so because of our yeast and because we're making donuts, we need a dough that is stretchy, something that will stretch. Also, note that the water I added is not cold water, I added warm water. And I added that warm water because of my yeast. The warm water is going to instantly activate it. So what you use whenever you're using yeast is warm water. So I'll go ahead and do this very well. I will knead this until it becomes soft and stretchy. I'll also add more oil to this and I'll keep kneading. I greased my bowl. I greased this bowl with some vegetable oil, and then I'm going to wrap this up to keep this warm. I'll also place a tray on this, and I kept it in a warm environment. I left it for about 15 minutes. And then this is what I have. At this moment, I'm just going to bring this out. Look at how it is. I'll bring it out and then I will knead again and I will start cutting. You want to pay attention to the way I'll cut this, okay? That is the highlight of this video. Now I have my donut cutter here, but I won't be using it. This is the regular donut cutter. I'll be using this. You want to make sure that you're using something that has sharp edges. That's what will help you cut your donuts properly. So you need something that has sharp edges. And then I'll be using a bottle cover. This one here is a bottle cover. So you need the other one, the one that is cutting my donuts, like the main thing, is a plate cover. And then you need a bottle cover. You know, some of this wine that has cover, some of these drinks that have cover, you can just get the cover, just something like what I'm using in this video. So this is how you use your, like this is how you make donuts without donut cutter. And also this is actually a big size donut because this is way bigger than the donut cutter that I have at home. one of these alone with your tea is okay. Just watch. You see me when I fry, it's very good. Like, it's so big, and yes, it's big. And also my dough, I'm not really rolling it thin. It is a bit thick. It's very good, guys. It's very good. Now, if you need the recipe, if you need the measurement to all of these things, drop a comment and I'm going to drop it for you. Okay, please do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to share this video. I like it so much when you share. I like it when you like it. I like it when you drop a comment. So do all those for me. Okay, drop a comment in the comment section. Let's get to interact. Yeah, if you have a question, drop it in the comment section. And also, if it's something you want to teach you on how to make, drop it in the comment section. All right, keep watching. We are not done. So guys, this is it. My donuts is looking so fine, so beautiful, and this actually tastes very good, very good. I hope you learned something from this video. And yeah, have you subscribed yet? Have you click on that like button? Have you turned on your post notification? If you haven't done that, please do that. I also have other videos that you can benefit from, so check them out. Okay, keep coming to watch videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this one, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.